Hi, my name is Tom, and welcome to Nyika Host. Nyika Host is a service provider where we provide you a very good, cheap service. We do a hosting, we do a reseller, also we sell cloud and more. So today we're going to talk about Nyika Host, and we're going to go through all our services and how it works. Okay, this is our website, but most of I'm gonna take you through store where we're selling. Okay, so let us go and get started. Okay, so once you click on found the domain, you will find that it will take you just straight to our store immediately, where you can begin to like look for your own domain name that you want. Okay, and then after that, if you found the domain, then you can begin to do whatever. But the main thing I'm going to talk about our services. I mean that our what do we offer. So we do register domain, we bulk domain, we also sell the extensions. We can give you a new extension. We can standardize your domain. We do sell also premium domains. Also, we transfer domains. We bulk domains. Also, we have more add-ons of domains. Okay, so you can put it freely in your domain. Okay, so we give you a free email, free DNS, and left protected and more than okay, the name, suggestion, and more. Okay, so that is when it comes to domain. And all you need to do, if you need, for example, you want to transfer your domain, if I say let me click on transfer domain, it will just take you to this dashboard where you will be able to put your domain name, your domain and the name, and you put the transfer code, and directly your domain will just be to our server. So for those who are not well informed how it works, they can do it. Okay, I'm not explaining, I'm not to that point. So that's on the domain reseller, that's what we're selling. On the website, we're selling website. So you can build your own website using Weebly. You can use also Web Builder and more. These services are still on way to come, but also they are oncoming. Okay, like themes and plugin and all the stuff. Okay, now on the website that's what we do. But now on the other form, we are having a hosting service. So this hosting service, we're having a lot of service on hosting. For example, we're having share hosting. Okay, the share hosting. Uh, come on. Okay, this is our share hosting. The share hosting, we're having a plan on it where we give access to so many plugin and program. So in this case, we'll give you a cPanel to control all your stuff, and that cPanel you will have a lot of software inside. Also, when it comes to price, we have different price when it comes to that. Okay, and this is in Indian. Okay, let me change. As I said, you can change to whatever you want. My explanation will definitely be in US dollar. Okay, sorry, it was in Euro. Okay, you will see that our price when it comes to reseller hosting, it begins from $2 in unlimited. Okay, you will have a single domain, but in that single domain you can add, you will have unlimited space, you will have unlimited data transfer, unlimited email, and a free SSL, okay, certificate. And also we're having a business that is 2.7, that's a different, but you're having three domain, a three domain add-on. And then and then we have a pro plan which is $5, and then it's having everything is unlimited. You can do whatever you want in that, and that's in that on that one. In that case, they give you an access to everything. But there is so many things that I always say. We have so many servers. If you're using a server that is from Indian, this is what it costs when we're using a server of Indian. Okay, if you use a server that is in UK, this is the price. If you're using an Asia server, this is what you're gonna be having when it comes to share hosting. And you will see that our price is very reasonable, and we're having a really very cool service. As you can see, we give you a lot of bunch of stuff, and we assist you in every situation that you might want us to assist you. Okay, And then we're going to a window share hosting. Okay, a window share hosting, we give you a bunch of hosting program. Here they will give you a Prisca management. There you will manage your system using Prisca. Plesk, I'm not familiar with it, but it's really cool stuff that manages everything in your stuff. Okay, so you will have access using Pliska. You will have access to all this stuff. Remember, a cPanel for window for share hosting Linux, but here they give you Pliska. I'm not familiar with this, but I think it's a very good thing to use it. Okay, it use a web manager. It's optimable, and you can use a lot of stuff. Okay, and the price is reasonable and still also in rubies. Is this rubies? Or which country is that? Okay, but let me take it to US dollars. So it's coming. Putting it to US dollars, you will see that our price is very reasonable. We begin from $4, $6 and $7. So this is when you're in Texas, but in India it's a bit up, UK it's a bit up, and in Asia it's bit up. Okay, so you can use it as long as you are, and it depends wherever you are. If you access this, and you can use any server that you want. But for me, I prefer using this one. It's cheaper and it's very secured. Okay, so really our price is good, and we having also another service which is now WordPress cloud hosting. So in this one, how did I go to this? It's in US. Come on. Okay, let me just put it on US. Okay, so on WordPress, it's a secure and reliable, powerful platform crafts for WordPress. Now, how it works? We give you a platform. You just work out magically. So we give you a WordPress. What you do, we just give you we just install for you a WordPress, and then you just go boom. Okay, so what we do, no need for any, we just install it. Everything is automatic, the caching is automatic, everything is like wow. Okay, there is a auto backup, so it's everything is like auto backup and auto secured. Okay, so if you want to host using WordPress, it's one installation for one WordPress is $3.5, where they give you we give you a dual core CPU and 2 RAM, 5 gig of storage, and unlimited email. Okay, but also we will be giving also less than that for $1, $1.5 for WordPress. If you contact us, we can make for you a WordPress that is less than that. Okay, install for you, and we give you all access, but email will never be there. So it will never be. So it's something that we're gonna set up on our coupons. Okay, so all platforms are here where you can have 2 WordPress installation, and that 2 WordPress installation for $4, and 3 WordPress is $5, and 4 WordPress installation is $6 per month. So if you are a WordPress, you are someone who's like doing your business on WordPress, or you're still a student, you can come and you can buy one of our services, and we're gonna give you a guideline, and it works very professionally and doesn't give you any of a problem. Okay, so all you need to do, it's your site, you will be building it by a cloud with WordPress. So all you need to do, you will be log into WordPress and then go through your stuff. Okay, so also we are having a Linux KFM VPS hosting. Okay, this VPS hosting, it's a really reliable hosting that many people are using, and it's really cool because it begins from $4 per month, where you control it. We give you a bunch of RAM just for $4. Okay, you have 2 cores, 2 giga RAM, 20 giga, and 1 terabyte of bandwidth. Okay, but here we don't give you an IP address. There is no IP address, so that one is for $4. Okay, and then for those who are used to that, we will be having a video where we will be explaining how it works, but you will see that there's two prices for India and Asia. Okay, for India it's $5, begins by $5, and for UK. And here, when you switch it to HDD, you will see that also the price is changed. Okay, if you put it to SSD, the price goes off. Okay, so for those who knows how it works, they will really be good on that. Okay, they should understand how it works. Right. Now we are going to a dedicated server. Dedicated server is this one here, where you gonna we having that service, we offering it. It begins from, oh, this car is really pissing me off. Okay, this dedicated server, what do we give you? We give you a lot of bunch of stuff for just few dollars. Okay, so it begins by 1,150 $1 if you're in USA, but in Indian it's different kind of things. Okay, so they give you two IP addresses and all the stuff. Okay, and here are the bunch. So if you buy this service, you're offering a very huge platform of service. Okay, when you use a VPS, this a dedicated server, so you're creating your own server where you will put your own plan, your own stuff inside. No one will come and tell you what to do, how to do it, and there is a bunch of programs where you can manage your stuff. Okay, now here also we having a window dedicated server. Many people they're using this. I think it's cheap, as you can see, different than that other one, where you begin by they give you for the starter, you can begin by 200. Okay, maybe I should just convert all this in USA, because really it will piss me off. Okay. Sorry. Right, it's an US dollar, US dollar, US dollar, also US dollar, and are we not here? Okay, fine. So where were we? We was here in VPS. Okay, well, we just done with VPS. So we're going to dedicated servers. We are here in window dedicated server. So this is the one. Okay, this one, it's a bunch of, I give you a bunch of stuff for just $168 per month. But here you begin with two IPs address, so that's good. Two free IPs, two free IPs, and two free IPs. So for those who wanna host their own server, they can really take this one, and it's a cool stuff. And this bunch of stuff is for those people who are doing huge stuff. Okay, so yeah. And after that, we're going into a reseller now. Okay, we were here, and we're going to Linux reseller. This Linux reseller, I used to use it a few years ago. It's working. It works really good, even if I just went to a dedicated server. But it works good for those who are just like beginners. Here they don't give you WHMCS, they will give you only WHM. I mean web hosting manager. Okay, they just give you a web hosting manager in this price. Okay, you can start with this. Okay, and then after that you can go for this one, but you have to use WHMCS, which is a very huge technology. I will be talking about it. It's a very huge technology. What they give you all the softwares where you can install every JavaScript, you can install WordPress, and also you can have a lot of stuff. You see, WHMCS, it's all one in one, but this one is the solution that manage all your integration, all your stuff. Okay, and also it's easy to customize. This one is a control panel, and also we assist you 24 hours. Okay, we don't have any problem of that. Okay, The main way is like we are very cheap. If you go to other staff platform, you will find that we are the most cheapest people who are giving this service, and I'll have some comparison in the next video to make you understand how it works. Okay. Also, we are having a reseller. This window reseller, it's not also in dollars. Come on, man. USA. Where is USA? It's like, okay. It's crazy. I don't know. Yeah, it's on USA dollar. So we having this one also. It's a hosting that many people they use in Windows. But now here you found that you using Priska. You can also you managing with Priska. You're not using WHMCS but WHM. But now it will give you Priska and WHMCS. Priska will be managing your stuff, and WHMCS for your integration, your domain management, and also billing. Okay, for your client. Okay, but also the price is really good, but it changes accordingly to countries, and yeah. Oh, we also having a cloud for backup. If you want to do backup for your system and your servers, you also can use our platform. We can give you a space where you can have 1 terabyte, and you can put many of databases, and we do a backup every 5 days, and you can zip download all the backup. So it's really reliable, which is $1 per month. I think for those who are looking for a dedicated backup place, this is a very good place where you can put your stuff. Yeah, for like countries and people are having like big of bunch of stuff that they're using in their system, a script or a data center or what, you can use our premium place. You look, we have for $6, we have 10 terabyte. Okay, and you have all unlimited database. You have up to 25 websites that you can put inside and all the stuff. Okay, yeah, I'm not gonna be into touch on that. We'll have a science where we're gonna be talking about that. Okay, we also having we do also sell cloud. Okay, so we sell cloud, and this cloud, it begins from $7. Okay, and where they give you everything, it begins from $7 in UK, but $8 when you in India. Okay, so one click, you install everything. Okay, and nothing will give you a problem. But after that, we having a cloud that is a professional cloud, which is many people are using it, where you have WordPress inside, WooCommerce. You can sell a lot of bunch of stuff inside, and you can it's customable the way you want. Now in here, we don't put price because most of these servers, they begin for how you use it. Okay, for those people who knows how to use this, really, I'm just using a VPS. This one here, that's the one that I'm using, and it's really cool stuff. Doesn't have any problem for me, and it's like really cool. Okay, so we selling also this. It's for a bunch of stuff. Okay, we start from $10, and then you can grow up as your business is growing up. And now, as you can see in this cloud, we did just manage to put a Google Cloud inside. Okay, so you can start from $10 and begin to do your stuff, whatever you're growing, and you can carry on putting it up. Okay, so also we're selling emails. Okay, we sell emails, which are business emails. So we give you a bunch of panel where you're selling only emails, and we begin from 5 accounts, which is the durance of 1 month. We give you for $2. So if you buy, you can set and use it. Okay, we give you a panel where you can use your emails, which the backup is begin from 5 giga of, and there is no email that can take all that place. Okay, We having also professional emails that we selling, but we're not there yet. We are we using also the SSL certificates. We can sell SSL. Many people are selling them now, and we have price for SSL. And this I don't think is for usual people, but yeah. And also we are okay. So that's all our service. This is, I wanted to come back for this, because for websites, when Weebly, and we have Weebly is I wanted to talk about it because you can sign it for free. But here, to sign this one for free, you have to have a domain. You have to buy a domain, or you have to have a domain that is already there. Then you can connect it to Weebly, and then it can work. Okay. But also, for many options, you need to create an account first. Okay. When you have an account, then you can be able to connect with you. So that's all, and that's everything that we were talking about. We can talk about Nyika Host. Nyika, as we said, is a company that we are selling a bunch of stuff, and those bunch of stuff, we want to assist our people to like doing a lot of commercial stuff. Okay, so this is our website, and this is our store. You can come, you can begin from our website, and you can go to our store. Okay, and then you can select any of the stuff that you have. So thank you. My name is Tom, and see you for the next video.